Hi everyone, my name is Nicole in Unido, Section Alpha. So today I will recite Article 12 and 13. So Article 12 is exempting circumstances. So Paragraph 1. An imbecile or an insane person, unless the latter has acted during a lucid interval, when the imbecile or insane person has committed an act which the law defines as a felony or delito. The court shall order a confinement in one of the hospital or asylums established for person thus afflicted, which shall not be permitted to live without the permission, without the obtaining the permission of the same court. Paragraph 2. A person under 9 years of age. Paragraph 3. A person over 9 years of age and under 15, unless he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 18. When such minor is adjudged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformably with with the provision of this and preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the shall commit to the care and custody of the family, who shall be charged with the surveillance and education. Otherwise, he shall be committed the care of some institution of a person mentioned in Article 18. And Paragraph 4. Any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Paragraph 5. Any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Paragraph 6. Any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. Paragraph 6. Any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. And last, Paragraph 7. Any person who fails to perform an act required by law when prevented by some lawful or insuperable cause. Article 13. Mitigating circumstances. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter, when all the requisites are necessary to justify or exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases, are not attendant. 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In this case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 18. Article 3. That the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. 4. That sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Paragraph 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the committing the felony or delito, his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by his affinity within the same degree. Article 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to produce passion or obfuscation. Paragraph 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agents, or before the court prior the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Paragraph 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, otherwise suffering some physical defect, which thus restricts his means of action, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. Paragraph 9. Such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him of the consciousness of his act. And last is paragraph 10. And finally, any other circumstances of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned. So that's all, and thank you.